Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into how child development theories shape early childhood curriculum. If you're studying to become an educator, or just curious about how young minds work, you're in the right place. Alright, let's start with Piaget. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development is all about how kids think and learn in stages. He believed children move through 4 stages: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. In early childhood, they're mostly in the pre-operational stage, where they're beginning to use language and think symbolically. Knowing this, a good curriculum includes lots of hands-on activities and play to help them explore and understand their world. Next up, Vygotsky. Lev Vygotsky emphasized the social aspects of learning. His theory of the zone of proximal development suggests that kids learn best when they're challenged just beyond their current abilities, with a little help from a more knowledgeable other. This is where scaffolding comes in. So, in a classroom, you'll see teachers offering just enough guidance to help kids stretch their skills and knowledge. Don't forget Erikson. Erik Erikson's psychosocial theory highlights 8 stages of development. But for early childhood, we're looking at the stages of trust versus mistrust, and autonomy versus shame and doubt. A curriculum inspired by Erikson's theory will emphasize creating a safe, nurturing environment where kids can explore independently and develop a sense of self-confidence. And finally, we have Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Gardner argued that children have different kinds of intelligences, like linguistic, logical, mathematical, musical, and more. Applying this theory means offering a variety of activities that cater to different strengths, so every child has the opportunity to shine. Let's not forget Albert Bandura, a key figure in constructivist theory. Bandura's social learning theory emphasizes the importance of observation and imitation in learning. He believed that children learn behaviors, skills, and attitudes by watching others, which is why modeling and peer interactions are crucial in a classroom setting. So, why does this all matter? Understanding these theories helps educators create a balanced and effective curriculum that meets the diverse needs of their students. It's all about helping each child reach their full potential in a supportive and engaging environment. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.